Hey guys, it's a travel hottie here with a first time ever wig review. This wig review is gonna be super quick. I'm gonna hurry up before my dogs come back in here because they're in their ratchet modes right now. So here we go. One night I was scrolling on TikTok looking at glueless wigs because I wanted to get into something different. I absolutely am over the traditional sew-ins. They look super natural, but I have this thing now where I get so irritated when I can't get to my scalp and when I haven't washed my hair in like a very long time. I can't even go like a week and a half without washing my hair. So obviously traditional sew-ins were phasing out and I learned to do quick weaves. So this past summer I dedicated an entire month to learning how to do my hair. I ordered Amazon clip-ins and I just started doing it. And when I tell you my hair turned out great, I was like, wow, I really can do my hair. Of course, I was learning from YouTube University and of course TikTok, and it built that confidence in doing my hair. Now, the only type of wigs I've ever worn have been Chinese bangs because I can just throw it on. It's quick, it's simple, not too much. But baby, the glueless wigs have been catching my eye. I follow this beautiful TikToker who did a basically like a promotion where she was trying on the wigs from Black Girl Magic. Never heard of Black Girl Magic before. So of course, with me, when it comes to hair, I am researching every single thing. I need to know who the vendor is. I need to know the reviews. I need to make sure it's not fake reviews. And I get a little nervous about ordering hair because it's like you get some good and then you get some bad. But wigs is like, I have this fear of like,
I just don't want my wigs to be wiggy. I just don't.
When she did the review, it was so easy. She didn't even have like a braid down. She molded her hair down, which was so nice. The wig was so flat, seamless. It looked like it was grown from her scalp. And that's the look I'm going for with glueless wigs. Scrolling through the comments in the videos, I'm like, I need to make sure people was getting their wigs. I don't want to see nobody comment about they didn't get their wig. It didn't come on time. It came matted and everything. So I looked for that. I only saw maybe like one comment that the person didn't get their wig. But Black Girl Magic, the account, was replying fast. Was like, oh, we had a big influx of orders from a big sale, but we've already shipped out everything. Check your email or whatever. And it seemed like it was rectified. I didn't even go on YouTube to look at this hair bender. I just saw that video maybe like 4 times. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And I bought it. I bought this wig like 3 or 4 days ago. Mind you, I believe it shipped from China. Yeah, it definitely shipped from China. I got an email today. My wig was supposed to come on the 5th of September or the 6th. It's here. It's fucking here. It had amazing sales. This week I ended up paying like maybe like between $140 and $170 for this wig. It's a glueless middle part wig, like 16-inch, because of course the longer the length, the thinner the hair is. So I just felt like a 16-inch was like plain and safe. So that's what I went with. My wig came extremely fast. I placed my order, I want to say within 24 hours. I had a tracking number, and then I want to say about 48 hours I started seeing movement with the tracking number, and my wig came on time. I like how, I believe they use DHL, and the security of it is amazing. Where I live, it's a concierge, so of course they sign for my package. But it's really good because with these wigs, they require a signature so that just not any old body is just grabbing your wigs. Now, I haven't opened it, but I want to open it with you guys. So of course, this is their packaging. And it comes with their social media handle on the back. And then, of course, the wig. So this is what it looks like. Take it out the net. So they have this like stuffing in here. And then this is the inside of the wig with the strap. And they say this is like the quick wear and go wig where you can just honestly like, it's already come plugged, bleach, knots, bleach and everything. And this is what it looks like. I'm rubbing my hands through the hair and maybe like one strand is coming out. Yeah, one strand. It doesn't smell like corn chips. I used to order hair from Hair Everywhere. This is when I was like in high school. I was just getting into, you know, weaves. And baby, when I tell you the hair was smelling like corn chips, and I didn't know no better. I was just getting into glam and beauty, and I didn't want to tell y'all that I installed it and my hair was smelling like corn chips. Nonetheless, this is the wig, and like I said, this is 16 inches. And I believe I got this in a straight. We'll say with this hair, it was extremely soft. Like it doesn't feel like matted or rough or anything. And this is what the lace looks like. So of course I'm gonna customize it, and I am going to do another review where I have already customized it to my liking and installed it, because I have to wash this quick weave out that I have now. So what they sent is almost like a wig kit, because they packaged it with a lot of other good things. So of course they gave the edge brush here in case you want to lay your edges. I'm not really like a baby hair type of girl, so. Then they also give you this Black Girl Magic headband for you to lay your lace. And what I do see a lot is that a lot of girls are like, they don't need to use like glue or adhesive, which some girls still use like got to be spray and glue, but I'm like, that defeats the purpose if it's supposed to be like. So of course, anytime you order here, they're gonna send you some lashes. So this is what they sent. They sent a cute pamphlet. In here, they have instructions on how you install your glueless closure, your glueless wig, how you care for the hair, and how they pride themselves on being beginner friendly. That's exactly what they marketed, is beginner friendly. You can wear and go. I like how they also gave me 2 caps, and they're both in a shade of brown, which is really good because that saved me a trip bringing to the store. And then some, I want to say these are like clips, I don't know. And then of course, oh wow, I didn't even know they sent this. Bonnets. They also put this cute bag in here in case you're ever taking your wig on the go and you need to secure your wig and put it somewhere safe. But I will say this is my first time ordering a glueless wig, and I haven't installed it yet. I'm gonna do that really soon. But I will say, whoever is behind this business, they are really impressing me. The shipping, chef's kiss. The convenience, I didn't have to email them or reach out to them about anything. They sent the tracking number. They was on TikTok answering questions. I had to make sure it wasn't no like scam. But they really did a great job. And for me, being a first time glueless wig owner and transitioning into wigs like this, you know, I would say this is a really great experience so far. So of course, I'm gonna have a follow-up video where I'm actually wearing the wig. I might show a video of me customizing it, but I definitely want to show a video of me wearing the wig, how it's been some time, how the wig's holding up. And the Black Girl Magic keeps sprinkling this magic like this, I might have to order another one. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.